and Kanisha. We heard from a lot of millennials on social media about what they were thinking, and we thank them for that. And let's hear from some of them right now. What does it feel like as a millennial to be in a new election cycle that doesn't include, a black president? And do you feel involved as of yet, like that they're reaching out to you?
I definitely think so. I think Bernie Sanders is doing a good job by, getting the youth vote. I think people are really energized by his political revolution and his ideas. But Hillary has a really strong base as well with baby boomers, as they say, and our parents like Hillary. So I think it's a good battle.
Well, New Hampshire certainly showed that the millennials showed up for Bernie there,
Very
right?
true.
I feel a little different. I'm a little disappointed that there's nobody black running for president. It's nice to have some new liberals in the running, but it's just my first election was for Barack Obama. So it's just, that's what I know. It's I'm comfortable with that.
Yeah, I mean, I wondered how young people who either never voted for a president before or just voted for President Obama, would feel coming into an election that's going to look drastically different than what they first saw, and the psychological impact of that. What are your friends on campus and just your friends in general saying about the way this election cycle is going? Do you think that you feel invited in, or do you feel like you're still, it's early and I'm kind of on the outside of it all?
I definitely think I'm working on a news package right now about millennials and foreign policy. And foreign policy is not something that is a big issue for millennials. One of the major issues is student debt. Immigration is something really, really big.
Sure.
So I think those issues are energizing to them. But the people that I've talked to have said they're still not sure. It's still too early for them to really know who they're really going to be picking.
Do you feel an excitement to get involved though? Is there an energy yet?
For me, no. I think that the candidates, they're reaching. They are definitely reaching, but maybe not. I don't think that we're ready to be reached for yet. There's just the pace of life is sped up, and people worry about the election close to the election time. They're talking about it now. A lot of the talk on campus is that it's hilarious. I mean,
with Donald Trump and with everything there's a reality star in the mix. I mean, there's just, they use Cruz and Marco Rubio as minority candidates. I mean, there's a lot of sort of trickery going on in that. But on the Democratic side, do you agree with Ashley when she said that Bernie Sanders is sort of revolutionizing and doing things different? Is that something that your peer group is picking up on?
That is something that we talk about at the law school, kind of, generally in our conversation. That it's nice to have a candidate who doesn't necessarily look like us, but who is still somebody we can get with. Of course, there are Hillary supporters on campus. There are some Trump supporters on campus.
Sure.
It's a broad spectrum.
Sure, because I mean, obviously, every black person is not a Republican, and not even every young black person is a Democrat. Because I tend to think we put older conservative black men in a Republican pool, but it's not necessarily the truth. What, Ashley, do you feel the impact of a woman running, as we get ready to watch the debate between, Bernie Sanders and Hillary Clinton, as a female young college student that's going to go out into the world and try to figure herself out? Do you see yourself supporting a female candidate because she's female?
I want to be very careful when I answer this because I'm excited that Hillary is running. I think it's wonderful that a woman is running for president, but you don't just pick somebody because they're a woman. You pick somebody because you agree with their policies. So I think when it comes down to it, it's all about what is she bringing to the table, really.
Yeah. And has there been anything that she's brought to the table that has interest for you?
I think her immigration policies are really good, but I also think Bernie's are as well. So I think it just depends on if you're going for this more establishment base that Hillary is vying on, or are you going more of this anti-establishment political revolution that Sanders is doing?
Okay, and what about you right now? If you had to say, where you're headed, is there anything that either of the candidates, as a millennial, as a black man, that they are saying to you?
Honestly, no.
Wow.
And it's, again, it's disappointing. I'm not enthralled about this election like I was about the last two. I'm not as involved. It's just, it's back to what it was before.
Philip is not enthralled at all. He, in fact, could care less about what's going on right now. He's a law student, and he said it's gonna, it's too early for him. It's gonna be much later when he gets interested. And then, of course, we had our other, very intelligent student named Ashley, who, she has an internship at CNN. So she is into this, right? Because she's doing packages and she's reading. So it's a very big difference between two, not so far apart in age, and how much they feel welcomed right now.